Good morning from Wildwood. Today's my day off, and I'm just getting ready to go get my coffee. They got anything for breakfast? That's always a winner.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. That's breakfast. Grab one of these things. This Boardwalk coffee is the best, but it's expensive. It's like $4.25 for one of these. So I gotta find a more cost-effective way to drink coffee. I think I'm gonna wind up buying a coffee machine and keeping it at work so that when I get to work, I don't have to worry about it. I have to go do my laundry, and then I have to go wash my car, and then I have to go clean my room. Alright, clothes are all clean and ready for work. Now, let's go get something to eat. Actually, I'm going to get something to eat right next to the Sock and Roll Commercial Mexicana. Some really good Mexican food. This is my favorite drink with Mexican food. I love this Jarritos pineapple. It's amazing. I ordered a chicken quesadilla. Alright, we just got our food. Let's set up our tray. Yeah. Mexican food. Chicken quesadilla. In the car. Now I'm gonna go visit my friend Tony. You remember him from a couple episodes ago? I'm gonna see what he's up to. Couldn't find Tony, so just gonna go wash my car. And this is the car wash. You just pull in, make sure you don't have anything on your seats, and they're gonna vacuum your floors for you. They're gonna power wash your mats, and you know, it's good service. Hey, can I get a, I don't know, whatever the vacuum one is?
Yeah.
Vacuum and power wash the front mats for me?
Yeah, that's basic wash.
Yeah.
Just tell this guy here.
Number one, please. Tell them guys, they're gonna go in, they're gonna take care of it. And you just walk in here. And pay this young lady. How are you? Thank you. Yeah, so they're gonna clean it, take care of it. Actually, need to be cleaned. This is the first time I've actually cleaned it since I got back from Russia. I mean, the outside of it. I mean, and it's cool. It goes in here, and then you can watch it over here. Look, you just follow it over here. Cleaning the winter dirt off. And you pull it around over here. Wipe it out for me. Thank you. Cool. Everything clean. Back to Wildwood. But before I head back to Wildwood, I'm gonna go to my favorite place and pick up something. I need some nail clippers because my old one's broke. So let's go to Walmart. And I really just need a pair of nail clippers, but they always make you want to buy something else when you go in here. This is like a that superstore, they have everything. But I need fingernail clippers are over this way.
I'm going back up.
It's gotta be right here. Ha! That's what I need. Got what I needed. Now we can go back to Wildwood. Oh wait, I think there's a Five Guys. So let's go to Five Guys. Just called and placed an order for a burger. And I know that this place right up here by Walmart has the best burgers. Five Guys. Yeah. Five Guys. The best burgers and fries. How you doing? Pick up for Jesse?
Jesse's here. 1777. Jesse's here.
Thank you. You're gonna love how you fill it, how you make the so this one is digital. Like say I want a little bit of ice and I want Dr. Pepper. Put it down and I want Dr. Pepper cherry. Yeah, Dr. Pepper cherry sounds good, right? Yeah. And then you press the button. Cool, right? And then you can help yourself to these nuts while you wait for your food. See what we got. Hamburgers. Let's put the tray up. Take it out. Oh, looks like we got some nuts. That's gonna be for later. Some French fries. It's gonna go fit right there. And my burger. Nice, thick, juicy, and a soda, of course. All right, that was good. Let's head back to Wildwood. Just riding the boardwalk at night. Remembering how I used to ride on the boardwalk all the time with my son, and my wife would ride next to us. I really miss my family. Being here alone, so far away from them, makes me feel so lonely, I guess. Maury's Piers. Oh, you know what's really fun to do? Since there's nobody in Wildwood and the boardwalks are empty, so are the streets. And all these ramps coming down off the boardwalk are empty too. So you can bomb the ramps on the skateboard. Yes!